In this video, I answer a question which is, can I put an offer below the guide or asking price? Watch the video to find out. The simple answer is yes. It's up to you what offer you put forward for a particular property. So just because an agent gives you a guide price, it doesn't mean that you have to go over the guide price or be on the guide price. You've got to work out what the market value of that property is to you, and depending on what you're looking to do with it, how much you're willing to pay for it. Simple as that. So I've bought properties where I've paid over the asking price because it's been an exceptional deal. I've also bought property where I've paid well below the asking price or the guide price, and it's worked incredibly well. And at times I've had to pay the guide price. So it all depends on the factors in terms of the market conditions, how well you know the agent, whether you're paying cash or you've got a loan, how keen or motivated the seller is, which you'll never know because you'll be going through an agent usually, and I assume here you're going through an agent because there's a guide price, and how quickly you can exchange and complete. So those things are going to have an impact on your ability to negotiate. So you can go below the guide price, and sometimes you'll get the deal, sometimes you won't, but as long as it works for you, stick to the price that you think is going to get you the deal, or to the price that makes the deal work for you. If you've got to pay over the odds and it's not going to work for you, don't do the deal, is what I say, because it's just going to end up being a bad deal, and then it's going to leave a bad taste in your mouth, and it's going to affect your mindset going forward.